Hi, and welcome back to Tom's Garage. Hey, I've got the F40 jacked up on the side here, and I've got the tire off. I'm preparing to do some deep cleaning of the rotors and the wheel wells, and of course, the tires before I head off to a concourse. So let's get into it. So this is what we're looking at here. Before we start cleaning it, I'll see how much I can clean up all of this corrosion over the years and clean up the calipers here. And then we've got the rim. The rim's looking pretty good, but I like to see if I can get some of the dirt out of the little seams there and around the screws if possible. And of course the back, that'll be easy. That's just all the brake dust that comes off. Yes, let's start with the rims first. I love these Speedline rims and this Pirelli P0 rubber wrapped around it. Let's start doing some cleaning and polishing of the rims. So to start with, I'll just do some degreaser and then go back and rework it. The areas that needs more cleaning with some brake cleaner. Okay, I think I'm done with the front. I've cleaned out the wheel wells, cleaned some of the dirt off, done some touch up. Looks a lot better. You know, I don't want to go too deep on any of this stuff because, you know, it is almost 33 years old and you don't want to start, you know, scraping off some of the patina. You know, like something like this that's the car. I'm not going to go repaint something like that. But everything has been cleaned up well. I polished up the bolts and the screws a little bit. Cleaned all this in here, you know, and then cleaned that up. Treated the metals. Treated this with the rubbers down in there. Put some metal protector on the pipes, clean this whole area up. This is ready to put the tire back on. I got 1 out of 3, looking good. I mean, these rims are just iconic. I just love these rims, and especially keeping with the P0 tires on it. So let's mount this back up on here. There we go. Now, you're not supposed to oil up or grease these ringlets. At least that's what it says in the instructions, so I am not going to do that. So, 1 down, 3 to go. It's looking good. Yeah, that looks pretty clean in there. Happy with that.